Dada.
Come on.
Hello. Mama. Hello.
Molly, who's coming to town?
Hello. Hello.
And what does the turkey say?
Hello. Hello.
What does it? What does the turkey say?
Hello. Dada.
It's a sign. What does the turkey say? It's a sign.
Papa.
Can you say Allie? Can you say Gracie? Can you say Grammy? Can you say Mojito? Momo. Can you say Santa?
Amalia, who's coming to town? Santa Claus? Santa Claus? Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Right down Santa Claus Lane. What's in there? Santa's in there? No. Do you like nanus? Are they your favorite? Can you say daddy? Oh. Your sippy cup? Wow.
Mommy,
Are you all done?
What does Santa say? What does the turkey say?
Very
what does a
good.
kitty cat say?
No.
And what does a moo cow say? And what does a hippo say? What does a doggy say?
What does a horsey say? Nay. Good girl.
What does Amalia say?
Where's daddy? Where's mom? Where's mommy? Me. Can you say bye-bye?
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.